Welcome to our channel and welcome to another stock analysis video. Bago tayo mag-umpisa with our stock analysis, let us first check the weekly performance of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Today is July 14, 2025. The index is at 6,525.04, up by 1.0% from its previous weekly candle. Index almost breaking out of the Darvas box resistance level around 6,600 6,600. Pag na-break niya tong level na to, we expect the index to be bullish. Then levels to watch out for resistance would be the 7,000 level at saka yung 7,500. These two resistance. Expect na itong mga resistance level na to is magiging consolidation areas and levels to break out para ma-confirm yung trend ng index or to confirm the bullishness of the index. Okay, let's proceed with our stock analysis. And for today naman, we will cover LT Group Incorporated or simply LTG. Titignan natin yung weekly chart ng LTG. We can obviously see the bullishness of this stock. Trend initially start in this area kung saan natin pinlat yung Darvas box natin. So why here? Kasi dito natin nakita yung low and lower candle niya, which we identify as the support of our level, Darvas box support level. And obviously dito din natin makikitaan yung resistance from the previous candles turning resistance turns to support. Ito mga nagkaroon ng mga resistance dito, resistance here, dito resistance dito, yan, resistance dito, yan, mga resistance dito. And ito mga resistance before it was able to break out. Bali dito niyan, yung pinaka naging support niya. Support, resistance turns to support. Then, if we will take a bigger picture yan, mapapansin natin. Ito yung pinaka naging support level no Darvas box. Then, yung resistance naman is the 10.20 level. Ito, 10.20 level. Dito yung naging resistance ng Darvas box natin. Then, if we will also take a look sa previous candles, dito din natin makikita yung mga naging resistance niya. To resistance. So, we expect yan, nagkaroon ng resistance dito. That's why, nung na-break na yung resistance, nagkaroon ng major movement of the stocks. Once it breaks the 10.50 level, itong resistance. So, nung na-break niya to 10.50, nagkaroon ng big move to bullish candle or ng continuation of trend. Then if we will take a look at the chart sa current candles niya, mapapansin din natin na meron ding resistance dito from these levels. Ayan, nandito siya entering that resistance, the 13.35. Ayan, nagkakaroon ng resistance dito. That's why dito we are expecting na magkaroon din ng resistance or either consolidations on this level. Then significant resistance that we are looking at will be here at 14.13 up to 15.05 level. Ito yung mga levels na expect natin na the chart would do some consolidation. And pag nabalik niya tong resistance na to, we are looking that stock would have a consolidation first before it tries to break out the resistance at 14.13, and afterwards magkakaroon ulit ng consolidation dito. Then before it breaks the 15.05 bago magkaroon ng big move or continuation ng bullish trend. May malalim-lalim pa 'to. So, ayan 'pag na-breakout niya dito magkakaroon ng mga other resistance from the previous candles. So, mahaba-haba pa 'to. Let's see paano yung magiging continuation move ni LTG in the coming days, if it will break out sa mga consolidations areas or magkaroon ng sharp turnover. Share your thoughts of LTG sa comment section. That's it for LTG. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe. And if may request kayo na stocks, just drop by sa comments and we will do a video for it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.